Namaste, welcome to our YouTube channel. Are you interested in learning Kannada or are you struggling to talk Kannada? In this channel, we'll explore the basics of Kannada from small words to conversations. Join me as we start this exciting journey and let's learn Kannada together. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today is the day 1 of 30 days Kannada learning series. We are going to learn these topics today and the self-addressing words. I, ನಾನು, mine, ನನ್ನದು, ours, ನಮ್ಮದು. Basically, the self-addressing words in Kannada starts with na, ನನ್ನದು, ನಾನು, ನಮ್ಮದು. Addressing to another person. You, ನೀನು, your, ನಿನ್ನದು, ನಿನ್ನ, yours, ನಿಮ್ಮದು or ನಿನ್ನದು. The next topic is near things or people like he, ಇವನು, she, ಇವಳು, it, ಇದು, they, ಇವರು, this, ಇದು, here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ, and these words in Kannada they'll start with e. I'll repeat once again. He, ಇವನು, she, ಇವಳು, it, ಇದು, they, ಇವರು, this, ಇದು, here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ. And our next topic is far things or people, and these words start with a, like he, ಅವನು, she, ಅವಳು, it, ಅದು, they, ಅವರು, that, ಅದು, there, ಅಲ್ಲಿ, like that. And today's video's last topic is questioning words. What, ಏನು, when, ಯಾವಾಗ, where, ಎಲ್ಲಿ, which, ಯಾವುದು, who, ಯಾರು, whose, ಯಾರದು, how, ಹೇಗೆ. Thank you. And one more thing, never say I don't know Kannada because you have already learnt some words in Kannada. Just say I know little Kannada or I am learning Kannada. ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. I am learning Kannada. That's all for today. Thank you. And please follow on my Insta handle Language Unlocked, and I am also in the Facebook same name Language Unlocked. Follow for more videos like this in YouTube. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.